What if a robot could watch a video of you dancing and instantly copy every move without being programmed? The future isn't coming someday. It's already here. LimX Luna is one of the most advanced humanoid robots we've seen this year, and honestly, it feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Standing about 5 feet 3 inches tall, Luna is designed to move in a surprisingly natural way. It can dance, perform synchronized routines, make expressive gestures, and even pull off gymnastic-style movements while staying balanced and stable. But here's where things get really interesting. Instead of relying on complicated coding, Luna can learn new movements simply by watching videos. Upload a video, and the robot can study the motion and recreate it on its own. That's a huge step toward making robots smarter and easier to train. Luna is also built to communicate more naturally. It can use body language, gestures, and coordinated movements to interact in a way that feels far more human than traditional robots. And the most impressive part? One system can coordinate over 200 Luna robots at the same time. What if a drone could transform into an airplane while flying? It sounds like science fiction, but this incredible aircraft can actually change its shape in midair. Aerodynamics. XP4 Trans-wing is one of the most innovative aircraft concepts, redefining the future of aviation. Unlike traditional drones or airplanes, the XP4 combines the best of both worlds. It can take off and land vertically like a drone, then transform into an airplane for faster and more efficient long-distance flight. That alone would be impressive. But what makes this aircraft truly unique is its shape-shifting wing system. During flight, the wings can fold and rotate, allowing the aircraft to smoothly switch from hovering mode to forward flight mode. What if you could step inside a real-life robot and walk across rough terrain like something straight out of a sci-fi movie? Well, that future may already be here. Unitree GD01 is one of the most futuristic robotic machines revealed in recent years, turning science fiction into reality. Unlike traditional robots, the GD01 is designed to carry a human operator inside its cockpit, allowing a person to control the machine while experiencing a completely new way of moving through the world. Standing around 10 to 11 feet tall, this impressive machine can switch between different movement modes depending on the environment. In one mode, it walks like a humanoid robot. In another, it transforms into a 4-legged configuration that provides greater stability when crossing rough, uneven terrain. But that's where things get even more impressive. The GD01 uses powerful motors and advanced motion technology to maintain balance, adapt to obstacles, and move through challenging environments that would be difficult for many conventional vehicles. Its ability to change movement styles gives it incredible flexibility, making it suitable for exploration, research missions, and future transportation concepts. Many people online have compared it to the giant mech robots seen in movies and video games. What if your lawn could take care of itself, even on steep hills, rough terrain, and large properties? This smart machine is making that a reality. Terramo X AWD is one of the most advanced robotic lawn mowers designed for homeowners who want a perfectly maintained lawn without the hard work. Unlike traditional robotic mowers that rely on boundary wires, the Terramo X AWD uses intelligent AI vision technology to understand and navigate outdoor spaces on its own. That means no complicated installation and no buried wires around your yard. But that's only the beginning. Using multiple cameras and real-time environmental mapping, the mower constantly analyzes its surroundings, helping it move accurately through gardens, around obstacles, and across complex landscapes. What really sets it apart is its all-wheel drive system. Whether it's steep slopes, uneven ground, thick grass, or rough terrain, the Terramo X AWD is designed to maintain traction and keep working where many robotic mowers would struggle. And here's where things get even more impressive. Instead of constantly turning around like most robotic mowers, it uses a unique shuttle drive system that moves forward and backward in straight lines. This helps reduce damage to the grass while improving overall mowing efficiency. What if a robotic hand could be strong enough to lift heavy objects but gentle enough to handle something fragile without breaking it? This technology is bringing robots closer to human abilities than ever before. Zenova Flex 2 is one of the most advanced robotic hand systems ever developed, designed to mimic the movement, precision, and flexibility of a real human hand. At first glance, it may look like just another robotic component, but behind its compact design is an incredible level of engineering. The Flex 2 is built to perform complex movements with remarkable accuracy, allowing it to grasp, hold, and manipulate objects in ways that were once extremely difficult for robots. What if entire houses could be built in just a few days, not months, with almost no traditional labor involved? This technology is already changing how we build the future. Icon Titan Print system is one of the most advanced construction innovations reshaping the building industry today. Instead of relying on traditional bricks, cement work, and large construction crews, Titan uses a massive robotic 3D printing system to build homes and structures layer by layer. This robotic machine is capable of reaching up to 27 feet in height and printing large-scale structures up to 12,000 square feet per floor using special concrete printing technology. The result? Faster construction, less material waste, and far more efficiency than traditional building methods. In real-world use, Icon reports that a 2,500 square foot home can be printed in less than 7 days. What if a vehicle could move through forests, deserts, snow, and rocky mountains completely on its own, with no driver at all? This is not a concept anymore, it's already being tested. Overland AI Ultra is an advanced autonomous vehicle built for extreme off-road missions where regular vehicles simply fail. It's designed to operate without a human driver and can even navigate without relying on GPS, which makes it useful in environments where signals are blocked or unavailable. Instead of following simple routes, it reads the terrain in real time and makes its own decisions while moving through forests, mud, snow, sand, and even harsh rocky landscapes. This vehicle is built for endurance. It can carry heavy loads, travel long distances, and maintain stable performance even in highly unpredictable conditions. What if the massive machines that build our roads, cities, and skyscrapers could work all day without relying on diesel fuel? The future of heavy construction might be closer than you think. JCB Hydramax is a groundbreaking innovation that could change the future of heavy construction equipment. For decades, diesel engines have powered excavators, loaders, and other large machines on construction sites around the world. But JCB is taking a different approach with hydrogen-powered technology. Instead of using traditional diesel fuel, JCB Hydramax runs on hydrogen combustion technology designed specifically for demanding industrial work. What if robots weren't intimidating machines, but safe, friendly assistants you could actually interact with every day? Fauna Robotics. Humanoid robot is a next-generation social robot designed to work safely alongside humans in real-world environments. Developed by Fauna Robotics, a New York-based company founded by experienced AI and robotics engineers. This platform is built with one clear goal: making humanoid robots more practical, approachable, and safe for everyday life. Unlike industrial robots that operate in isolated factory settings, this humanoid system is designed for spaces where people are always present: homes, schools, offices, and research environments. That means safety and smooth interaction are the top priorities. The robot features a lightweight humanoid structure combined with a soft outer body. What if your kitchen could eliminate smoke, steam, and cooking odors without a bulky hood hanging over your head? This smart innovation is changing the way modern kitchens work. Samsung Extractor. Induction hob is a futuristic kitchen appliance that combines cooking and ventilation into one sleek system. At first glance, it looks like a stylish induction cooktop with a clean black glass finish. But hidden inside is a powerful extractor that pulls away steam, smoke, and cooking odors right where they are created. That means no large overhead hood, no bulky equipment, and a much cleaner-looking kitchen. But that's only part of what makes this technology impressive. Samsung's Flex Zone Plus feature allows you to use different sizes of pots and pans while still getting even heat distribution across the cooking surface. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a family dinner, it gives you precise control and consistent cooking results. The built-in extractor works efficiently while helping reduce energy consumption. What if the next factory worker wasn't human at all? Imagine a robot that can lift heavy parts, learn new tasks, and work around the clock without needing a break. Hyundai Atlas is one of the most advanced humanoid robots designed for the future of manufacturing and industrial automation. Unlike many robots that are built mainly for demonstrations, Atlas is being developed for real factory environments where strength, reliability, and efficiency matter every day. Standing at the forefront of Hyundai's robotics vision, Atlas is designed to perform demanding industrial tasks that often require both power and precision. But that's only part of what makes it special. With highly flexible movement capabilities, Atlas can navigate busy factory floors, handle large components, and perform complex actions that traditionally require human workers. And here's where things get even more impressive. The robot is designed to operate in challenging environments, including changing temperatures, long work shifts, and demanding industrial conditions where consistency is critical. Atlas can also move independently, learn tasks using advanced AI systems, and even recharge itself when needed, helping reduce downtime and improve productivity. What if a bike could climb like a feather, sprint like a road racer, and still handle rough gravel trails with ease? This machine is built to do exactly that. Specialized Krux 5 is a high-performance gravel bike designed for riders who want maximum speed without compromising versatility. At first glance, it looks sleek and aggressive, but underneath that design is a bike built with one goal in mind: pure racing performance. Unlike many gravel bikes that focus mainly on comfort, the Krux 5 is engineered to be fast, lightweight, and incredibly efficient. Its advanced frame design helps reduce air resistance, allowing riders to maintain speed more easily on long rides and competitive races. But that's only part of the story. One of the most impressive features is its ultra-lightweight frame. Weighing under 800 grams, it's among the lightest gravel bike frames available, helping riders climb hills faster and accelerate with less effort. What if the next person helping you in a shopping mall wasn't a person at all? The future of customer service is arriving faster than most people expected. Uptek Walker C1 is one of the most advanced humanoid service robots designed for real-world public spaces. At first glance, it looks like something from the future, but this robot is built for practical everyday tasks. Whether it's a shopping mall, office building, exhibition center, or transportation hub, Walker C1 is designed to interact with people and provide assistance whenever it's needed. What if walking uphill felt as easy as walking on flat ground? Hypershell X series is a futuristic wearable exoskeleton designed to make walking, hiking, and climbing easier, smarter, and far less exhausting. Instead of replacing human movement, this technology works alongside your body to give you an extra boost when you need it most. Worn around the waist and legs, the Hypershell X series uses advanced sensors to monitor every step you take in real time. But what makes it truly impressive is its AI-powered hyper-intuition system. This intelligent technology studies your movement patterns and predicts your next motion before it happens, allowing the device to provide support instantly and naturally. The result is smoother movement, reduced fatigue, and less strain on your muscles during long outdoor adventures. Whether you're hiking steep mountain trails, climbing stairs, exploring rough terrain, or covering long distances, the system is designed to help you move more efficiently. Despite its advanced capabilities, the exoskeleton remains surprisingly lightweight. This floating robot can film astronauts completely on its own, inside the International Space Station. InBall 2 is one of the most futuristic robots currently operating aboard the International Space Station. At first glance, it looks like a small floating camera ball, but this machine is actually designed to help astronauts by handling tasks automatically in space. And the way it moves is what makes it incredible. Using advanced navigation software and upgraded propulsion systems, InBall 2 can float smoothly through the tight spaces of the ISS without crashing into equipment or walls. It moves with surprising precision in zero gravity, almost like a robotic drone built specifically for space. But here's where it gets really smart. The robot is equipped with high-resolution 4K cameras that can automatically capture photos and videos during missions. What if your luxury yacht came with its own flying vehicle? Lazzarini-designed Colossia is one of the most ambitious luxury yacht concepts ever imagined. Instead of simply offering a lavish experience on the water, this futuristic design combines ocean travel and aerial exploration into a single extraordinary platform. Created by renowned designer Pierpaolo Lazzarini, the Colossia stretches an incredible 204 meters in length, making it more than just a yacht. It's a floating city built for the future. But what truly sets it apart is a feature unlike anything seen in traditional yacht design. Mounted on the upper deck is a massive detachable airship known as NOG 2.0. This futuristic aircraft can separate from the yacht and take to the skies independently, allowing passengers to explore destinations from an entirely new perspective. Imagine sailing across the ocean and then launching into the air for a breathtaking aerial journey, all from the same vessel. The yacht itself is packed with luxury. It features spacious guest suites. What if tomorrow's computers could solve problems that would take today's fastest machines thousands of years? Microsoft is taking a major step toward the future of computing with the introduction of Majorana 2, a next-generation quantum processor designed to make quantum computers more powerful and reliable than ever before. One of the biggest challenges in quantum computing has always been stability. Quantum bits, known as qubits, are incredibly sensitive and can lose information very quickly. This has made it difficult for researchers to build large-scale quantum systems that can perform useful real-world calculations. Majorana 2 aims to solve that problem. Microsoft has developed a new chip architecture and advanced materials designed to keep qubits stable for longer periods. The longer qubits remain stable, the more complex calculations a quantum computer can perform. What if your camera didn't just record you, but actually followed you everywhere you go? Mondo Robotics. Benny is a compact all-terrain camera robot designed to change the way people capture videos in everyday life. Instead of using tripods, drones, or handheld stabilizers, this smart robot physically follows the user and records smooth, dynamic footage in real time. Built for sports, travel, and outdoor adventures, Benny is designed to capture natural movement as it happens. Whether you're running, cycling, hiking, or just exploring a city, it stays with you and keeps the shot steady and cinematic. At the core of the system is intelligent tracking technology. Benny can automatically follow a subject while maintaining stable framing, offering different angles such as rear shots, side views, or even smooth orbit-style movements. What if your mirror could tell you more about your health than your smartwatch? Neurologics. Longevity Mirror is transforming the ordinary bathroom mirror into a powerful AI-driven wellness assistant. At first glance, it looks like a modern smart mirror, but behind the glass is technology designed to provide valuable insights about your overall health in just seconds. Instead of relying on wearable devices or physical sensors, the Longevity Mirror uses advanced facial scanning and computer vision technology. During a quick 30-second scan, the system analyzes tiny changes in blood flow beneath your skin, details that are invisible to the human eye. The collected information is then processed by artificial intelligence to generate wellness insights related to cardiovascular health, stress levels, metabolic condition, and even your estimated physiological age. What if the ocean could store wind energy and deliver power exactly when it's needed? Ocean Hydro Omni is a unique energy system that combines wind power with underwater energy storage to solve one of renewable energy's biggest challenges. What happens when the wind stops blowing? Located offshore, the system captures wind energy using either a high-flying kite or a vertical wind rotor. As the wind generates power, the system doesn't just send electricity directly to the grid. Instead, it stores extra energy deep underwater using pressure and gravity. Why does that matter? Because energy demand doesn't always match windy conditions. Sometimes the wind is strong when very little electricity is needed, and other times demand spikes when the wind is calm. Ocean Hydro Omni helps bridge that gap by storing excess energy and releasing it when power is needed most. What if an entire city could sail across the ocean? Pangios. The Terra yacht is one of the most insane marine concepts ever imagined. It's not just a yacht. It's a massive floating city that could make today's biggest cruise ships look tiny. Designed by Lazzarini Design, it's inspired by the ancient supercontinent Pangaea and shaped like a giant sea turtle, stretching around 550 meters long and 610 meters wide. But the real shock is inside. Pangios is designed to hold around 60,000 people, working like a fully self-contained city on water. Instead of normal ship cabins, it includes luxury villas, apartments, hotels, shopping centers, parks, entertainment zones, and even docking areas for boats and aircraft. The idea is simple but wild. Create a moving city that can travel across the oceans while giving people everything they need to live in comfort. To power it, huge parts of the structure would be covered in solar panels for renewable energy, along with advanced propulsion systems to move this giant city across the sea. But here's the truth, this project is so massive and expensive that it's still only a concept, not a real build yet. It would require billions of dollars and a specially built shipyard just to attempt it. This isn't a real horse, but the way it moves might genuinely fool your brain for a second. Deep Robotics. Robot Horse is one of the most imaginative robotics projects of 2026. Instead of building another industrial robot, Deep Robotics created a futuristic mechanical horse that combines advanced AI movement with cultural-inspired design. And the result feels surprisingly alive. Inspired by the Year of the Horse, this robotic platform transforms quadruped technology into something more expressive and artistic. The custom-designed body and lifelike leg movements make it look less like a machine and more like a futuristic robotic creature. But here's what makes it truly impressive. The robot horse is built using the same advanced mobility technology behind Deep Robotics' high-performance quadruped systems. Your next package won't come from a delivery rider. It might arrive on its own, by a robot navigating your streets. Deep Robotics is building a last-mile delivery system that could completely change how goods reach your doorstep. Instead of relying on human riders or drivers for the final step of delivery, this system uses autonomous robots to handle it all by themselves. And this is the hardest part of logistics. Last-mile delivery is where most delays, costs, and inefficiencies happen. Deep Robotics is targeting exactly that gap with intelligent machines designed to move packages directly from distribution hubs to customers. But here's where it gets interesting. These robots use advanced AI systems combined with cameras, LiDAR, and real-time mapping to understand their surroundings. They can move through sidewalks, streets, and mixed environments while constantly adjusting to what's happening around them. And they don't just follow a fixed route. Each robot plans its own path. What if every step you took came with a built-in power boost? Dephy Sidekick is a wearable robotic device designed to make walking easier, more efficient, and far less tiring. While it may look like a simple ankle support, this innovative technology is actually a powerful robotic assistant built to enhance human movement. Developed from advanced research connected to the MIT Media Lab, the Sidekick combines robotics, smart sensors, and lightweight engineering into a compact system worn around the ankle. Unlike most wearable assistive devices that focus on the knees or hips, the Sidekick targets the ankle, one of the most important sources of power during walking. With every step you take, a small brushless motor provides a carefully controlled boost that mimics the natural movement of your calf muscles. This extra assistance helps reduce physical effort, making long walks feel easier while maintaining a completely natural walking rhythm. One of the most impressive features is its ability to learn. After only a few steps, the device analyzes how you walk and adapts its support to match your unique movement pattern. Using built-in sensors, it continuously adjusts in real time to provide the right amount of assistance exactly when it's needed. This farm grows strawberries with robots, AI, and giant rotating systems that almost look straight out of science fiction. Dyson Farming is completely rethinking what modern agriculture could look like in 2026. Instead of relying only on traditional farming methods, the company combines robotics, AI, renewable energy, and advanced engineering to create a smarter and more sustainable food production system. And the scale is massive. Founded by James Dyson, Dyson Farming now manages around 36,000 acres of crops and livestock across the UK. But one of its most futuristic projects is a giant 26-acre glasshouse in Lincolnshire focused on growing strawberries year-round. And here's where it gets incredible. The strawberries grow on huge rotating vertical systems designed to maximize sunlight and LED exposure throughout the day. This setup dramatically increases efficiency and can produce up to 250% higher yields compared to traditional farming methods. But it's not only about growing more food. AI-powered robots help with harvesting and pest control, while smart sensors constantly monitor plant growth, temperature, humidity, and environmental conditions in real time. And it gets even smarter. The entire farm operates like a circular energy system. What if a robot could patrol, inspect, and make decisions on its own, without ever needing a human by its side? FX Aegis is a next-generation AI-powered robot designed to bring intelligent automation into the real world. Built for tasks such as security patrols, industrial inspections, delivery operations, and human interaction, this advanced machine is designed to work where reliability and mobility matter most. Unlike traditional wheeled robots, the FX Aegis uses a four-legged design that allows it to move with remarkable balance and stability. Whether it's navigating rough terrain, climbing steep slopes, or stepping over obstacles, the robot is built to handle environments that would challenge many conventional machines. Its advanced joint system provides the strength and control needed to maintain stability even on uneven surfaces. This allows the robot to operate both indoors and outdoors while adapting to constantly changing conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of the FX Aegis is its modular design. Depending on the mission, it can be equipped with different tools and technologies, including cameras, advanced sensors, communication systems, and specialized equipment. What if technology could help people stand up and walk again without needing crutches or constant support? Wandercraft is changing the future of mobility with advanced robotic technology designed to help people with serious walking impairments regain movement and independence. At the heart of this innovation is the Atalanta exoskeleton, a groundbreaking robotic system that is redefining rehabilitation. Unlike traditional exoskeletons that require crutches or assistance from therapists, the Atalanta is designed to keep users balanced on its own. Using powerful AI-driven stabilization technology, it continuously monitors the user's posture, movement, and balance to help them stand and walk hands-free. This hypercar was designed for a video game first, but it looks more advanced than most real cars on the road today. Xiaomi Vision. Gran Turismo is one of the wildest automotive concepts revealed in 2026. It combines electric hypercar design, AI technology, and gaming culture into one futuristic machine that feels pulled straight from science fiction. And what makes it even crazier is where it came from. The car was created for Gran Turismo 7 as part of the prestigious Vision Gran Turismo project, making Xiaomi the first major technology brand invited to join the program. But this isn't just a digital sketch. Xiaomi actually built a full-scale physical model, showcasing a futuristic teardrop-shaped body designed for maximum aerodynamics and efficiency. This robot doesn't just follow commands, it actually understands what's happening around it in real-time. Potics Atom robot is a major step toward humanoid machines that can think, adapt, and respond like intelligent assistants instead of simple program tools. It's designed for complex real-world environments where conditions keep changing and basic automation is not enough. And that's where things get interesting. Using high-resolution cameras and depth sensors, the robot can detect objects, understand its surroundings, and react instantly based on what it sees. It doesn't just execute tasks, it analyzes situations before acting. What if a powerful battlefield support system could be ready to operate in less than a minute? Metal MWS120 Ragnarok is a modern mortar system designed to deliver fast, accurate, and highly flexible battlefield support. Built for today's rapidly changing combat environments, this platform focuses on mobility, precision, and adaptability. One of the most impressive features of the MWS120 is its flexibility. It can be mounted on wheeled vehicles, tracked platforms, or trailer-based systems, allowing military forces to deploy it in a variety of situations. This means operators can quickly adapt to different missions without relying on a single type of vehicle. Another major advantage is its unique barrel-compatible design. Instead of requiring entirely new equipment, the system can work with mortar barrels already used by many armed forces. This helps simplify logistics and reduces the need for additional resources. The MWS120 also incorporates advanced automation. Electric aiming systems and automatic targeting adjustments help improve accuracy and reduce the time needed to prepare for operation.